Today I am in Sabang in Palawan. I got to Puerto Princesa yesterday evening, and today I'm on the Underground River Tour, which is super exciting, and I'm finally at a beach. Well, I just did a little mangrove tour that I will insert the videos of. Saw some monkeys and some snakes, and now we're just waiting for the rest of the group who are ziplining. I actually opted for the mangrove and not the zipline because I am such a wuss in my old age. Like, I just don't really like heights, so I was like, I'd rather do the relaxing mangrove situation. So yeah, this is my current view. So I thought I'd tell you guys a little bit about the Puerto Princesa Underground River Tour, because this is a day trip from Puerto Princesa and it is well worth it if you are in Puerto Princesa. I wouldn't make the trip just for it, but like I said, if you're there, definitely do it. It cost about 2,000 pesos, which is £28 roughly. I booked the trip through my hotel, but you can book it online, and there's loads of tour companies around Puerto Princesa that offer the trip too. I got picked up from my hotel, they say 8 till 8:30, and the van turned up. I was so lucky, I had the nicest group. Like, we all just got on so well, and we were talking all day and laughing all day. It was amazing. Like, it definitely added to how good the trip was. So when you arrive, your tour guide will get out of the bus and they'll go and queue for the tickets to go to the national park, to the Underground River. It is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, which I'm going to talk about more when I show you the footage. I opted for the mangrove tour and it was really cool. We saw like monkeys and snakes. After this, we went over to this buffet restaurant for lunch. It was super tasty. There was so much to choose from. And then it was time for us to head over on the boat to the national park. We did not realise there were going to be monkeys at the park until we were in the van on the way, and our tour guide was saying, like, guys, keep everything in the van, like, only bring what you need, because the monkeys are mischievous and they will steal your phones, they will steal your water bottles, they will steal your bag, your purse, everything. So then me and the girls were like so scared about the monkeys, but it turned out okay. This was the most hilarious clip. Like, we thought we were going to capsize and everyone was screaming. I just thought I had to like put that in because it was so funny. Arriving to the beach was so funny as well, because we were told not to like smile with our teeth at the monkeys because they see it as like an aggressive thing. And we were all trying not to laugh, and like we were laughing and just hiding, like having to hide our teeth. In the moment, it was just like so funny. We walked over and here's the underground caves.
Some will be coming from the audio device. Again, just in case your audio device stops, you have to complain as early as possible. Tell him as early as possible. And follow the light, the information that you will try to show. Anyway.
Puerto Princesa's Underground River is one of the world's most impressive cave systems, and like I mentioned before, it is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The river actually goes on for about 8 kilometers, I believe, but you don't go that far. The tour lasts for about 40 minutes and you get an audio guide. Inside it's pitch black, but the guy like rowing the boat has a torch on his head so you can see all of the cave, and there are so many bats. I don't think I've ever seen this many bats ever in my life. As you head through the caves, you learn about the history and you see the rock formations. It's a super fascinating trip. Like I said, I would really recommend it. I've not done anything like this before, so it was a really unique experience. It does smell a bit. They do warn you because of like the bats weeing and stuff, but it wasn't too bad. Like, it was a really fun trip overall. I also made a really cute friend, so shout out to Stacey, who actually lives in Manila, and she's going to show me around now I'm back in Manila, and I'm so excited for that. So stay tuned for the Manila content coming soon. Good morning. Today I'm going to be exploring Puerto Princesa in the Philippines island of Palawan, which is like the southwest side of the Philippines where all the islands are. And I'm gonna have quite a chill day today because I have been like non-stop for a week. So my plan is to like go and explore the bay walk, the boardwalk, whatever it's called, go down there, get some lunch, look around, have a look in some shops, and then of course I'm going to do my tradition of a relaxing trip, which is to get a massage, because massages in Asia are so cheap, it's ridiculous and it's amazing. I'm in the islands for like 10 days exploring, and I was somehow very optimistic to try and fit 10 days worth of stuff in a backpack. But I did it in the end. I just don't have that many clothes, but it's fine because there's laundry here. And just to let you guys know, because obviously I'm going to be uploading this once I've left, I am staying in Nini's place, which is a really nice little like family run place. It's a very basic room, just got a door with a lock, I've got a mini fridge, I've got the bed, and then a little wardrobe over here, and a bathroom. And this place was so cheap. It's like 8 minutes from Puerto Princesa airport, and it only costs like £18 a night. So yeah, can't go wrong. Really good modern functioning aircon as well. We love to see it. So this is the road I'm staying on. I think it's called something like Westcom Road. Like I said, it's like an 8-minute drive from the airport. And this is Nini's place. They're so friendly there as well, so it's really nice. Anyway, I'm gonna try and go find a tuk-tuk to take me to the boardwalk and go explore down there. I think there's a lot of things around there. I've made it to Bay Walk. It's extremely quiet. I thought it was going to be like busy, but I kind of understand why it's so quiet, because there's not really shops. It's kind of just like a bay walk in the middle of like a random area. I thought there was going to be, I mean, there are like restaurants along here, but it's just empty. I think that's the port up there. Former seaplane base of the United States. Oh, that's actually really interesting. I didn't realize there was like history here. Water here in the Philippines is just so clear. Every time I see water, I just want to like jump in. Honestly, like it's amazing. To be honest, I kind of wish there was just like a chair or a sun lounge here so I could just like sunbathe, because it's such a nice day. But I'm going to El Nido soon, so I have lots of opportunity. I'll be staying on the beach, so that would be amazing. There's some really nice mountains in the distance, but you can't see because it's a little bit like cloudy over there. This is me in a relationship with food, always. And that's where I'm going right now, to go try and find some lunch. I don't know if I said in another video, but I'm not eating breakfast at the minute. I don't really like how quiet it is. It's kind of making me a bit on edge, which I haven't actually felt here in the islands. Felt a little on edge in Manila, but that's okay. I'm a solo female traveller. Unfortunately, us girls have to worry no matter where we go in the world. There's always, I'd say, more of a danger to us, which is unfortunate. But as long as you stay on guard. This is a little chapel. Schedule of Mass first and third Sunday of the month. A little store. Hello. This is a university, Holy Trinity University. Who knew? Puerto Princesa has a university. I wonder what you can study there. This is one of the main roads, and if I keep walking for about 10 minutes, I get to a really nice mall.
And I feel like the mall is so like different to what you'd expect from this area. Like it's nicer than the mall I went to in Manila, and it's like so modern and there's like security, but then it like kind of doesn't align with the streets around. Hello. This is all different types of rice. I found a little local market which is really cute. Here's the SM Mall. You kind of see what I'm talking about. The stark contrast between this modern mall. This is something you'd get in like London or wherever, and then you go outside and it's so different. But I'm going to take refuge in the mall for lunch because it's very, very hot today. Not that I'm not used to it, like I kind of am now. Singapore felt more humid, but yeah, it would just be nice to go and cool down for a bit. And it's quite nice that I wandered into that market. I didn't expect that, and it was cool to see some like hello, welcome to the thank you. Oh, that was nice of him. Anyways, it looks like a school's just finished. They're all in like a white and green uniform. We're gonna go into the mall. There's like a security checkpoint and they like check you for weapons or anything, I guess. And there's a big supermarket here as well, where I got my sun cream from. Here's SM Mall. I got a white chocolate cold brew from this coffee bean and tea leaf place last night, and it was so good. So I'm definitely gonna go back and get one. This is the supermarket. And they've got a bread talk, which was my favorite like bakery place when I lived in Bangkok to go to. They've got KFC. They've got a place called Shakey's where I got pizza the other day. I know, so Western of me. I need to find somewhere to have lunch today. I don't know where. There's a Jollibee here as well. I don't know what I fancy for lunch today. Let's see what there is. Like a kebab vibe place. I had ramen last night. But let's have a walk around. Lunch is a carbonara and a Coke. Very healthy, not, but I just fancied it. I'm not going to apologise for eating pasta in Asia because I'm half Italian and I'm obsessed with pasta, so yeah. It's still only like 1:30, so hopefully after this massage I'll head back and chill out for a bit and then maybe head out for dinner later, depending on how I feel. My bus tomorrow from the bus station to El Nido is at 11 AM. It takes about 5.5 hours. I didn't realise you could actually come out the back of the mall. I went all the way around for nothing. There's like, you can come out both sides. I found another main road. There's a cute little eating area here, which is really nice. I might come here for dinner. And there's also a McDonald's. I don't know if you can see the sign because of the sun. The Jollibee and McDonald's. I thought it was Jollibee's. Is it Jollibee? It's clearly Jollibee. There's another Shakey's that I clearly love so much. And I'm just trying to find a massage centre. There should be one just down here on the left. think milk tea might be my new fave. This is an Oreo milk tea. Who knew that that even existed, Oreo milk tea? Maya showed me milk tea in Singapore, even though I think it's a Thai thing. Yeah, new fave thing. Got it from Tummy Tea. Yummy Tea or Tummy Tea? I think it's Tummy Tea. Anyways, I'm gonna go get a tuk-tuk back now.